it's Kozue. Today, I want to prime this Seria's stamper. This is not exactly brand new, but it's like new. I opened it last month and I used it just once. And as you can see, the stamper head is really clear and it looks really smooth. Now I'm gonna stamp something with this. So this is a stamp block from Daiso. Daiso is a 100 yen shop in Japan, and this is not supposed to be used for nail stamping. This is for normal stamping, but I usually use this thing and a stamper head. I put a stamper head like this and it doesn't drop usually. Sometimes it does drop or it does fall, but usually it doesn't fall. Okay, this way I can see the design really clearly and I can show designs to you guys. So anyway, this is super useful. When I try something, I usually use this plate. This is from CanDo. CanDo is also a 100 yen shop in Japan. I usually use either this design or this design because both of them have fine lines. I can show you how the stamper can stamp fine lines and bigger designs as well. As for scrapers, I use this prepaid card. It's old. I'm not going to use this as a prepaid card anymore. It's really firm. I really love this card. So you can use any cards that you don't use anymore, like reward cards or old credit cards or any cards will do. When I stamp, I usually use regular polishes. So this is from CanDo 100 yen shop, and this one is not exactly 100 yen. It's about 300 yen, about $3, and this is also about 300 yen. They are available at a drugstore in Japan. This one works really well and it's really highly pigmented, but I don't think they're making this thing anymore. I think it's discontinued, but these ones are still available. So I'm gonna use this design with this one. I try to move really quickly, otherwise it will dry, and just one scrape and then the stamper comes around. Ooh, it's not good. It didn't pick up really well. Oh, my iPad says something. Anyways, I'll try one more time. Before doing one more time, I have to clean the plate. I usually use kitchen towel with nail polish remover, like that. Okay, this will do. And I need to clean the stamper too. I usually use washi tape. I know many people use lint rollers, but this way I can have more space on the table, so I prefer this one. Anyway, so it's clean now, and I'll try it again. This time a little bit quicker than before. So I have this thing ready right beside the plate, and let's go. Well, it did pick up some designs, but still you can see some missing parts. Anyway, I'm gonna stamp this on a nail tip. Like that. cutting on the edges. I just use tweezers to clean the excess polish. It's like cotton candy. Okay, so that's it. So now I'm going to clean the stamper head, and I heard that there's some oil on the stamper. I heard that this oil is from a process of making silicone stamper heads. I heard that oil repels the polish. This is just copy paper. I put this side on the paper, and this way the paper absorbs the oil on the stamper. Only just little part is touching the paper, so I'm gonna put some weight on it. Well, I can roll a small piece of paper and put like this. And what should I do? Maybe blue tack? I'll try this pen to make a dent. And there you go. Better than a flat surface. I think I'm going to use this jar. It's not really stable here, but it will do, I hope. Ooh. Okay, so I leave this like this for one night, one day probably, and I'll show you the result. So this stamper head has been like this for 3 days. You can see the oil here. This is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th paper. This is a 6th paper, and it still has oil on it. Amazing. So I'm going to try this newborn stamper head. So this is CanDo's plate, and this is CanDo's regular polish. Wow, look at this. It really worked. It worked so well. It picked up so crisp. Wow, great. And the stamper head is so clear. You can see the nail really clearly. Wow, great. Let's stamp like this. Wow, it's so crisp and very nice. It's amazing. Let's clean here a bit with tweezers. Well, it's not really perfect here, but never mind. So this is after the paper method, and this is before the paper method. Wow, great. I want to play with this newborn stamper more. I'm gonna try this design, a scraper. Now I'll show you how to clean the scraper. So you can see polish here, and this is just paper, like copy printer paper, and you can go this. You can't really see it. Oh, you can, right? So you can see the polish here, and polish here transferred to this paper, and now you don't have to clean the scraper. So this saves a lot of time. Anyways, is this still wet? It's not. I'm gonna try this black one now. This is from CanDo. Wow, look at this, so beautiful. It picked up so crisp, really nice. By the way, I cleaned the scraper on the paper, so it's clean here. Now I want to try this plate. This is from AliExpress, and I want to try this black polish from CanDo. I wonder if the newborn thing picks up this well. Yeah, I can totally use this stamper head without priming it. Cool. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.